Okay, well yesterday when we did the test ride, this sucker got locked up. And what happened is the shift selector plate was indexed one tooth wrong. Since I'm the guy who indexed it, I indexed it one tooth wrong. We thought we had all the gears, apparently we didn't. So we've just moved this one tooth by taking the shift selector plate detent down so I could move it very easily without having to worry about it. It's back in at this point in time, and I made this little tool. Can you zoom in on that? That's a really neat little tool. And we use this for moving the shifter by putting it over the top, and you'll see as soon as that noisy damn truck leaves, you'll see we're in first gear now. Neutral, one more click, preferably with the thing turning. That's second, third, fourth, and it won't go any farther. So we're against the stop. Turning it over, I can move it up like so, fourth, third, second, first, won't go any farther, pulling it down one, gives me neutral. So it seems to be indexed properly now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on, and since we fixed the front brake, and I think I fixed the shifting, we'll do another test ride in just a little while. So, neat special tool. Had a welder make that for me. I'll take it off, see? That's what it looks like. Cool. All right, thank you. Well, it seems like deja vu all over again. We've got the bike ready for, we have the bike, we believe to be ready for a test ride. We replaced the front brake cable, and we now have good front brake. And nice and solid, good pull. Feels good. When we turned the bike around and spun it stopped the front wheel just fine, thank you. I took the outer cover off of the transmission and found that the shifter plate had skipped a tooth and was off indexed. It was actually locked up by going too far. I have no reason to understand why. I've never seen that happen before, but I re-indexed the shifter plate on the gears, and it shifts just fine now on the lift. And we're going to take a little video now showing that. Kevin, why don't you come over and take it from this angle?
Okay.
We'll see how it goes. All right. So it's in neutral now. There's first. Neutral. Second, third, fourth. Can't go past it. Going back down to third, down to second, down to first, and you can't go past it. Right down there, first. You can't go past it. Going back up to neutral, and there it is. Second. We're going to take it outside now and see if we can do a test ride. Okay. All right, test ride number 2. See how she goes. Sloppy tickle. Try kick it up, see if it'll go to second. Is it jammed again? It's jammed again, isn't it?
Yep.
Well, this is just weird. Okay, let's get out of the way of the truck.
Yep.
Well, you saw what happened on that test ride. We got it outside, went to kick it into gear, and it locked up the transmission. So at this point, I'm a little flummoxed. Let's demonstrate that we no longer have the same gears we had 5 minutes ago, and then I guess I'll go back into the transmission. Why don't you take this camera there?
Okay.
Let me see if I can shift it. See, won't find first. Won't come up. We're just locked in sort of a never land on the far side of the shifter plate inside. And I've got no explanation for you at this point in time. So I'm going to take this off again, go in there and take a look and see what we can do from this side only. If we don't see anything wrong, we will take off the primary drive, and take the transmission apart and take a look inside. So, the fun never stops. Here we are. We got the outer cover off. The shifter plate is too high. It's locked up. It's gone past the end stop. And I don't know why. Tomorrow I'll take this whole outer part of the transmission off. We'll move it out about 1/4 of an inch, try to re-index this again, and put it back together and give it a second shot, see what's happening. This is interesting. I've never had one of these not indexed properly, but then human foibles and IR1, human or foible, don't know which. Anyway, that's what we're doing. We're going to do it. We'll do that tomorrow. Right now it's a little late in the day and we're kind of tired. That's it.